Hello fellow travelers, Thrifty Traveler team member Michaela here, and I am at Las Vegas Airport catching a connecting flight from Las Vegas home to Minneapolis on Sun Country. I'm really excited to show you what the experience is like flying Sun Country during the coronavirus pandemic. This is a connecting flight for me. I flew Spirit from Sacramento, so no check-in procedure, I just have it on my phone, but excited to show you what the boarding process and in-flight experience is like. All right, let's go take a look. Here we are at Las Vegas Airport. When booking your ticket, Sun Country requires travelers to certify they will wear a mask over their nose and mouth and have not experienced any COVID-19 symptoms. Most travelers were wearing masks at the gate area, though some were wearing it under their nose or had taken it off to eat. As we began to board our Sun Country flight, the gate agents made an announcement to remember social distancing when boarding, but no specific protocol was enforced. There were not social distance space markers on the ground or boarding area. As we got settled into our seats, I realized that we had a nearly full plane to Minneapolis. Sun Country is not blocking middle seats, so I had paid extra to select a seat in the aisle near the front so I wouldn't get stuck between two strangers. Sun Country has suspended all food and beverage service to avoid person-to-person interaction during the flight. The flight attendants were hardly seen during the flight, except to come through and pick up trash a few times. When it came time to deplane, everyone stood up and waited in the aisle as normal. No social distancing was announced or enforced. I've just deplaned my Sun Country flight. I hope that was a helpful look into what it's like to fly on Sun Country during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thanks for joining me on that journey. Overall, these were my takeaways from flying Sun Country during coronavirus. At the Las Vegas airport, there was no additional Sun Country branded safety signage at the gate. There was no enforced social distancing during boarding or deplaning. Sun Country is not blocking middle seats in flight. And there was no food and drink service and very limited flight attendant interaction throughout. For the full review of this experience, visit the link below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Note that these were my personal experiences flying Sun Country, and experiences will vary by flight. But I hope this gives you insight into what it's like to fly Sun Country during the coronavirus pandemic.